Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is especially for anyone over the age of 70 who still wants to stay strong, active, and independent. Now, most people believe that eggs are the ultimate protein source for building muscle. But what if I told you there are other proteins that work even better, especially as we age? In fact, one 88-year-old man who struggled just to rise from a chair was able to walk briskly around the park every morning after just 10 weeks of changing his protein sources. His muscle building rate became nearly equal to someone 25 years younger, and the secret wasn't eating more protein, it was eating the right kind. Today, I'm going to share the top 6 proteins that work even better than eggs for rebuilding muscle after 70. Stay with me until the very end, because number 1 is going to surprise you the most. Let's start with number 6. Lentils. Cheap, simple, and very powerful. One cooked cup gives you about 18 grams of protein, but the real secret is in everything else that comes with it. Lentils are packed with fiber, which feeds gut bacteria that produce compounds shown to calm muscle inflammation and improve how well your body actually uses protein. Scientists even call this the gut-muscle axis. They also provide folate, iron, potassium, and antioxidants that protect muscles from breaking down. Blue zone regions, where people live healthy and active into their 90s, eat lentils almost every day. So, lentils aren't weak at all. They're a low-cost powerhouse for seniors. Number 5, hemp seeds. Just 3 tablespoons give you 10 grams of complete protein. Protein your body recognizes instantly because of a compound called edestan. But the real magic is in their fats. Hemp seeds have the perfect omega-6 to omega-3 balance, which reduces inflammation in muscle tissue. They also contain gamma-linolenic acid, a rare fat shown to cut post-exercise soreness in older adults by up to 40%. On top of that, they're loaded with magnesium and arginine, nutrients that improve circulation, recovery, and even growth hormone release, which declines by 50% as we age. Best of all, they need no cooking. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or yogurt, and you're good to go. Number 4, wild salmon. Yes, it has about 22 grams of protein per serving, but the real benefits come from its omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA. These actually weave themselves into muscle cell membranes, keeping them flexible and responsive. One University of Washington study found that seniors who ate salmon 3 times a week gained 6% more muscle mass without changing their exercise routine. Omega-3s also turn on mTOR, the master switch for muscle building, and salmon has something eggs almost completely lack, vitamin D. One serving gives you about 1,000 IU, which directly boosts muscle protein synthesis. Add in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that fights fatigue, and even a small serving becomes a complete muscle repair package. If fresh wild salmon is too expensive, canned wild salmon is an excellent budget-friendly option. Coming in at number 3, whey protein. If there's one supplement that can make a 90-year-old build muscle faster than a 60-year-old relying on eggs, it's this. Studies show seniors taking whey protein built nearly twice as much muscle as those eating eggs. Why? Because whey is absorbed in under an hour, delivering a quick flood of amino acids when your muscles need them most. Eggs take 3 to 4 hours to break down, and by then, the window of growth has passed. Whey is also rich in leucine, the amino acid that literally flips the muscle growth switch. You'd need 5 eggs to get the same leucine you get from just a scoop and a half of whey. If you're lactose sensitive, use whey isolate. If not, whey concentrate gives you extra immune-supporting compounds. Quick shake and you're set. Number 2, cottage cheese. Where whey gives you fast fuel, cottage cheese works slowly, releasing protein for 6 to 8 hours while you sleep. That's because it's rich in casein protein, which forms a gel in your stomach. This means your body continues building muscle even during the night, preventing the natural breakdown that happens as you sleep. It's also rich in selenium, calcium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus, all critical for muscle contractions, strength, and energy. And because it's soft and easy to digest, it's perfect for older adults. Think of cottage cheese as your overnight muscle protection. And finally, number 1, seitan, also called wheat meat. Don't be fooled by its scary-sounding name. This is one of the most powerful plant proteins out there. Just 100 grams of seitan gives you 39 grams of protein, on par with steak, but without the heavy fats or digestive strain. And research shows plant proteins like seitan actually help older adults preserve lean muscle better than traditional mixed diets. It's versatile too. Grill it, stir-fry it, or roast it for a hearty, meaty dish. Pair it with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or broccoli to boost iron absorption. For seniors who want muscle strength without the side effects of red meat, seitan is a game changer. So there you have it, the 6 proteins that outperform eggs for building muscle after 70. Lentils, hemp seeds, wild salmon, whey protein, cottage cheese, and seitan. The big takeaway? Muscle loss isn't destiny, even as you age. With the right protein choices, you can stay strong, active, and independent for decades to come. Which one of these foods surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear from you, and if you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so this information can reach more people who truly need it. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.